Good morning and welcome back to A Guy and His Projects. Today we are working on my wife's 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan with a 4.0 liter V6 engine, SXT or SXT trim level, one of those two. Today we are working on the headlamps on this van. We are going to be replacing the bulb. We are going to be what I'm hoping is an upgrade to LED. Right now you got the standard halogen bulbs in there. The good folks at Bosla has sent me a couple bulbs they want me to try out and do a quick review on. Quick note, I'm always honest with you guys. I always will be honest with you guys. These guys sent me the bulbs for free, asking for me to do a DIY install and quick review on them. I'm going to do just that. I'm going to show you how to install them and I'm going to do a review on them. I sent them an email before I accepted the job and said, are you guys okay if I don't like your product, stating that on video because I like to be honest with you guys. They still sent me the bulbs, so there you go. I can already tell you I like the company because they're willing to have me. They either trust their product enough that they don't think I'll have a bad opinion, or they're an honest company. Either way, I like them already. So we're gonna go ahead and do an install video on it. And then we'll drive around at night. This is morning, the sun just rose right now, so later tonight we'll have to get some cameras out and see if we can do a comparison from old to new and all that good stuff. Nothing too official or fancy, but we'll try. So in this box, we've got a couple things. Woo, if we shake it open, it's a nice box, packaged really well. We got window decals, of course. We have a happy/not happy card. Couple window decals, a couple different ones in here. Our instructional manual, whoever reads those. And a window sticker spelling out Bosla. And then the part we're all here for. Dun, 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 dun. We have the light bulbs. As mentioned, these are LEDs. So they come with a pigtail. Your stock ones in the van already don't have a pigtail. They plug directly into the back. These have a pigtail. It's not going to make any difference for you when install comes. So then these seam, they feel good and high quality. This is all metal, not plastic. This is metal. The only plastic is this lock ring right here. But you got your LED chip or diode. I think they're diode. LED is what?
Light emitting diode, yeah.
So you got your
light emitting diode.
So I believe these are actually pretty adjustable for purposes of aiming as well. I mean, they slide around inside the lock ring. So once you push this in, if you don't want it horizontal for whatever reason, you can twist it, I'm guessing. I don't know. Maybe that's a defect, but they slide pretty easy. They come well packaged. I have no concerns over them arriving to someplace intact because the styrofoam's pretty nice, actually. Very nice packaging, I like it. If they get points for packaging, I'll give them points for packaging. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so for the purpose of ease of use and ease of changing, we're going to do the driver's side bulb. While we're on the GoPro, so you guys get a good view of what we're talking about here. So this is your headlamp. You got your battery, your fuse box. We're in front of your fuse box. You got this Christmas colored red and green tab here. All you're gonna do is this red tab, it's gotta go that way. If your vehicle's a little bit older, you might need a screwdriver to make that happen. For the purpose of you being able to see what I'm doing in the video, I'm gonna use a screwdriver instead of my thumbnail. Just get in there, you're gonna pull that tab out, just like so. After you get that out, you got this tab right here. You're going to push that down while you grab your green harness, and then you're just going to pull the harness out. So push down and pull out, just like so. Boom, your electrical is now disconnected. Next part is just as easy. You're just going to grab these two tabs right here. I know it's all black, it's hard to see. And you're going to twist, so, and out comes your bulb. Okay, so now you go ahead and pull your bulbs out. And it looks about the same, so we should be good. It's a little bit shorter in depth, length, but that's all right. So I'm gonna bring this back over. thing. You're just gonna slap this in the hole. Find the tablet fits in. Just like so. Oh. And there goes my light. Hold on. So it appears we have a problem. The problem is right here. So we're gonna have to grind that down a little bit. Alright, let's try that again. So now, okay, now we lock it in place. It's in place. So now we've got our harness. Got this harness. Chain and grab. Just plug it in. Okay. I'm just going to take the red lock, push that in as well. Now we're all solid. Holy smokes. So already, it looks way brighter. I can already tell, looks way the heck brighter. Let's go ahead and turn the lights off in here. Oh, not bad. Just looking straight. I just walked quite a ways from the van. One of my main concerns about this whole thing was how bright these lights are to oncoming traffic. So I know I hate it when you're driving into somebody and you can't see nothing. And you probably can't see nothing on the camera right now. But with these bulbs, they are quite blinding. So I don't know if you can see this other guy driving by next to me right now. Looks like he's got normal bulbs and he is not blinding. I'm looking at the van right now and that is blinding. I don't like that. I don't care for that. And I think you can get around that by putting in some different housings. But right now, I mean, yeah, those are freaking bright to oncoming traffic. So there is that. I'm also going to post a link down below that Bosla provided to me for you guys to purchase these. I'm not making any commission on it, but these are the link goes to where I actually don't know where it goes. But you can find out where to buy these in the link below. All right, it's the next morning. We took this out last night, drove it around a little bit with a variety of different bulbs. We put Sylvania halogens for comparison in one and the LED in another. We put both halogens in and we put both LEDs in. We ran with the brights and the low beams. And overall, the Basler right here was very bright. You couldn't really see farther or wider. That's got more to do with your housing than it does the bulb from my understanding. So you couldn't see farther, you couldn't see wider, but everything in that field of view, in that field of light, was way brighter than these Sylvania halogens. That being said, this is not an apple-to-apple comparison because this is a 6500 lumen output, 6500K output, or light color. And this is a, I don't know what, it's definitely not 6500. So this is not an apple to apples comparison, but it does help you see how much, it does help you see how much brighter and wider and clearer what you can see is with this Basler LED bulb. I really like this bulb. I really like the housing. I really like the all aluminum. I really like the pigtail, which is actually wrapped. It's not just a random wire. It's actually wrapped in this nice cloth, braided cloth. Everything about this bulb screams quality. Now I say bulb, it's more like
A light emitting diode.
But even this fan in the back, this little black thing that spins, is a fan to help cool the heat sink. The heat sink is there to help pull the heat out, and then this fan is here to help push the heat out of the heat sink. Very cool design. I really like it. There's not apples to apples, but look at the video, see what you can see. Determine for yourself the quality as far as your light. What else? So we did have to trim the plastic on this. That's not a deal breaker for me because I am a fairly handy person. That didn't bother me a whole lot. If you don't have sandpaper, a file, a grinder, or a Dremel, maybe that would be a turnoff for you. I'm not gonna say every bulb is not gonna fit. Mine didn't happen to fit. I had to modify a little bit, not a big deal on my end. So, being that this is a bulb review or a light headlamp review, it's not a housing review, would I buy this? Yes, I would. I would absolutely buy this. Quality, price, everything about it, I like. I really do. Keep in mind, this is a fair review. Yes, they sent me these for free to review, but they are not paying me. They're not paying me for my time. It's just a free product. Yes, I appreciate that. Thank you, Basler. Yes, I'm going to be honest. I am not here to lie to you. I do this because I enjoy it. I enjoy doing videos for you. I'm not here for you. I'm not here for the company. I'm here because I enjoy helping people. So I'm giving an honest review. If a company was to pay me for a good review, I would decline their payment. I would decline doing business with them. When Basler emailed me, I asked, if I don't like your product, are you okay if I say so? They sent me the bulbs anyway. I like that, okay? I like the company. I like, so far, what I've seen of them. I like what feels like super high quality in these bulbs. I would absolutely buy these. Am I going to put this one back in this headlamp and let my wife drive this van? No, I am not. A lot of you, I don't know if it's ignorance or if it's just selfishness or if you just don't give a crap. A lot of you guys are running with these LEDs and these stock headlamps, blinding everybody else on the road. They make headlamps that are more designed for LEDs, and the stock ones that are designed for halogen bulbs are not designed for LED bulbs. And what happens, you saw in the video, me walking towards the van, is you just blow light everywhere and it blinds everybody coming at you. I do a lot of night time driving. I despise that. I hate that. And personally, I want to be able to see where I'm going, and I also want the person coming at me to be able to see. I don't want to be doing 75 this way and somebody else 75 this way, and they're coming at me holding their hand up so they can't see the road because my lights are so bright. I hate that. It is stupid in my opinion. I will say that, and that's what these bulbs do in this particular stock housing. So, I
I like these bulbs enough. I think I'm going to upgrade the housing and get one that would be more compatible with an LED bulb, and I would like to run these because I really like these bulbs. But I'm not going to do that until I upgrade this housing, because I don't feel it safe for my wife and kids to be in a van with somebody coming at them at the equivalent speed, not being able to see them. So that is my opinion, that is my review. Bulb A+. I love these bulbs. Bulb in this stock housing, absolutely not happening. Thanks guys. So I want you guys to respect my videos. I want you to respect me, and I am only going to do that by being honest with you. So this is as honest as I get. I love the bulb, do not love the combo in the stock housing, which is, I don't believe, meant for an LED bulb. That's why they put halogens in there. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you see, leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. Check out the playlist, check out my channel. I've got trucks and cars and vans and all kinds of things going on, and I'm trying to rotate them through to keep you guys entertained. We'll see you next time.